Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
So you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face. Maybe that's because your face doesn't look like Chris Hemsworth. Or maybe it's because you want to stay anonymous so people from school or work won't find your channel and say that you're a cringe vlogger. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 11 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face, how to attract and retain your ideal viewer without spending any money, how to build a 7-figure income from zero on the side as a side hustle. Also, if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus on how you can make even more money faster. Just imagine making more money from YouTube when you do your full-time job so you can work from home with just your laptop and internet connection. But before that, if you like videos on how to grow, monetize, and automate a YouTube channel, slap that subscribe button and tick the notification. Niche number 11, space. So something that's happened very recently is that they start making, space-related content. And you can see this one channel called Insane Curiosity, and they make a ton of videos about space, about how to go to Mars and stuff like that. And if you just go over to Social Blade right here, you see that they're actually making 20,000 views here. In the last 30 days, they actually got 822,000 views, which is pretty cool, right? Now, what are they actually making videos about, and why is this channel growing so fast? Well, if you just hop back and check out their videos, you can see, could we colonize Aruba? Tau Ceti and its planets, galaxy evolution, what's Fermi paradox, why is it hard to colonize Mars? And you can see all this type of different content. So if you are interested in space, Mars, and the future of the technology of traveling intergalactically, maybe. Personally, I checked out a book on anti-gravity and I can't put it down. Niche number 10, luxury. Luxury is always going to be a big niche. Everybody wants to have a better car, a better house, a better girlfriend, a bigger, stronger, harder relationship. So if you go to Social Blade and check out this Mr. Luxury right here, you can see that last 30 days he actually got almost about 7 million views, pretty consistently like 200,000 views right here. And this type of content is pretty cool. And are you interested in luxury? Maybe you could make some content around it as well. So you can see the type of content they make is literally the 3.4 million like in Hypersport, the 10 richest villain in the Marvel comics, the richest person in Switzerland, the world's biggest airport, 155,000 views in 1 week. Are you kidding me? Every day you can just look at beautiful things and beautiful houses and beautiful rich people, and you can make content about it and you get paid from it as well. This is a perfect gig for you if you want to dream about living the luxury lifestyle. This might be the perfect fit for you without showing your face. Niche number 9, quizzes. You know that quizzes are popular. Personally, I'm not a big quiz guy, so this is not my favorite, if you would say that. But this channel, Buzzmoy, has really taken off. And if we just go to Social Blade, you can see it's getting about 1 million views the last 30 days with a consistent about 100 to 80,000 views each and every day. Now, what type of content is it making? Well, the last videos they produced was actually, which Norse god are you? Well, because I'm Norwegian, I'm obviously Chris Hemsworth. Thor. Which dragon should you train? What do you seek in life? Ooh, which X-Men mutant are you? All of these different quizzes, you probably heard about them before. And what's so fascinating about this is it peeks into the deep curiosity of the human mind, because it tells them something about themselves, like this self-exploration kind of thing. And people love that, especially girls, man. If you tell a girl, hey, you seem really open-minded, I really like that about you, and they're like, or if you say like, you know what, Disney princess you remind me of, Pocahontas, and they're like, Trust me, try that. It always gets a good reaction. But you have to be honest, of course. There is another quiz channel called Mr. Test, and it's pretty much the same. This one is a little bit more on the love and romantic type of quiz, but still such an easy way to do it. So if quizzes is your thing, hey, go into this one. Niche number 8, meditation. One thing that scares me a lot is that anxiety. The term is trending on Google and it's just getting higher and higher. Each and every year we have more and more anxiety. And that's why we need meditation channels, so you can really dig deep into yourself and learn to cope with silence and not be in the presence of high stimulating dopamine and instant gratification. And you could help people with that through meditation, relaxed music, just this channel right here that are doing this exact thing. You can see that they're getting about 8 million views right here with 11 to 98,000 monthly earnings. We just step down a little bit. You can see that each and every week they're getting about 2 million views. Isn't that crazy? Just look at how easy and simple this content is to make. Deep sleep in 5 minutes, deepest healing sleep, beautiful relaxing music. And you can see that it's about 12 hours right here. But that's so simple to do. You can just loop it over and over and over again with free stock footage. For example, pexels.com. Search for nature, click on videos, and here you have unlimited footage that you can use over and over and over again with no license, no copyright, that you can have in the background while some relaxing music is playing. And the way you get free music is to go to youtube.com/audio library, and here you have literally hundreds of thousands of songs you can use. If you see here, Jesse Gallagher, Ambient and Calm. You're free to use this song and monetize your video. All you need to do is click on the download button and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. This is another channel called Michael Seeley, same meditation niche, and just like that, it's the same exact thing. Although this guy has a little bit more of a hypnosis script and affirmation and guided meditation and stuff like that. So it depends which one of these you want to do. Niche number 7, tech. I know you've seen Marques Brownlee. I know you've seen unboxed therapy that is personality based and they talk into the microphone and they do reviews of phones and stuff. But you can also do that without showing your face at all. And a great channel is Tech Zone. So essentially what they find is new technology, futuristic technology, and they just use the commercial for that product in their videos. You can see that they're getting 10 million views right here. And yeah, this is pretty crazy numbers if you ask me. And the crazy part about the tech niche is that you get crazy high CPM. And CPM means how much money you make per 1,000 views. Just imagine a kid channel. It's not really that many advertisers that want to go on here. But tech, you have Samsung, Apple, every type of technology product. They want to get in front of the viewer and they're willing to pay a lot. That's why this is one of the best niches. And if we just go to videos right here, you can see 8 creative interior design ideas for your living room, probably 7 ingenious gadgets, 7 most advanced, and you can see the views here. Come on, 40, 60, 55, all of them each and every single day. So this is one of my personal favorites. It's only because I love tech, I love the future. I would love to make content about this. Niche number 6, animals. There's nobody that doesn't love animals. And I'm going to do a rapid fire right here. Animaltube.tv, 600,000 views, making content about animals, dangerous birds, cute a dog, all of that. The next one, Animal Facts, about 800,000 views right here. You can see some of the content right here, all about cute cats and dogs. I love that. I miss my dog. I'm in Greece right now, so my dog is at home in Norway and I can't see him. This other channel, Animal Weist, 2.3 million views. You can see that They're just making this content that is super simple to make, and they're making a lot of content as well, you know. But I wanted to show you this channel in particular, Viral Bee. 6 million views in the animal niche, and the crazy part is that you can sell dog training, dog collars, cute toys, and all of that stuff in the animal niche because people love their pets so much. Some people even think that their pet is their kid. So a beautiful niche right here. And the next niche is going to be to slap that like button, slap that subscribe button, take the notification bell if you like videos about how to grow, monetize, and automate a YouTube channel. And do you like this video so far? Come on, let's get it to at least 500 likes. Also, we haven't come to the best niches yet, so don't leave. Stick with me on this video because maybe you'll find the niche that you want to go with. Niche number 5. Scary. Honestly, people like scary stuff, and if you just look at the videos right here, you can see it clearly. 546,000 views, 842,000 views, 1 million views 1 week ago. Are you kidding me? These are getting so much views, guys, and it's pretty simple to do as well. There's many channels doing this, but if we just hit that social blade button right here, you can see 17 million views the last 30 days. He's getting mid 500 views each and every single day. And the total views right here, 675 million views he's gotten on this channel. And all he does is read a scary story that he found online into the microphone with some like creepy stuff in the background. That's pretty easy to find and pretty easy to make. So maybe this is for you. Like now it's Halloween. Don't forget my Halloween special, by the way, link in the description. But I'm not really that much into like scary stuff. So this one, not really one for me. Niche number 4, top 10 or countdown. So this is, you've probably seen this 100 times before. Top 10 this, top 10 that. It's an evergreen niche that's going to be around forever because people love these types of countdown things, and they always want to stay to number 1 because they want to know what the number 1 is, and that creates a really good watch time on the videos as well. So if you just check out a couple of different channels here, top 5 best, almost 15 million views the last 30 days. Go to the next one, top 15s, about 5 million views the last 30 days on this one. Really good. It does seem that he's trying to get into like the scary stuff, so it's probably transitioned a little bit. But for top 5 best, for example, you can see that they're just using this footage and talking over it, maybe having a script that you can hire somebody to write a script for you and then completely automate this channel really simply. And you can automate all of these channels, by the way. And I'm going to show you how to automate this channel easily at the end here. Niche number 3, natural remedies. This is one of my favorite ones. It's crazy the type of content this channel is making. And the real reason I think this is crazy is because they are using an automated software that does all the work for them. I actually have 2 different YouTube channels that utilize this exact software. It's called Bitnami, and pretty much it looks like this. You can just put your script into the software and it plops out hundreds of stock images and stuff like that, as well as have the text on top of it. So that makes it so simple to make a video. See why I think it's crazy that they're getting 1.8 million views right here just using this software? Yeah, this is really low-hanging fruit. Niche number 2, crafts. Here you can see 5-minute crafts. You've probably seen that channel before, right? 69 million subscribers, getting 238 million views, one of the biggest one on YouTube. But this crafts niche is so awesome because you can literally just film yourself from above doing all of this stuff without showing your face, without doing anything special, really. As long as you have a little bit of a good lighting and find some cool DIY life hacks, you can pretty much do this very fast. A big YouTuber that just started to make a craft channel is CHC. And this is because he's tapping into the hundreds of millions of dollars of DIY and crafts niche that pretty much everybody loves. Niche number 1, psychology. So here we are at the last one, brainy dose is a psychology niche. I think this is like the crazy type of channel that you'll see it when I say it right now, but this is the exact same thing that we had with the last channel, using just stock footage and stock images and all of this that they found for free online, and then they just zoom in on some images. You just have all this in here. Seriously, go in and watch some of these videos and you'll see how easy they are to make. It's right here in the last 30 days. And the crazy part is that this niche is in the self-help psychology. For example, 10 ways to become more attractive. 3 weeks ago, 276,000 views. And you know what? You could easily sell something in this video. You can sell a ton of affiliate products. You can sell coaching. You can sell beauty products. You can sell courses, books, information. A ton of people want to get better, more attractive, and get better in life. And that niche is one of the best niches that you can monetize even without AdSense really fast.